now, the Impact Day forecast from the WGAL News 8 Storm Team.
The sunshine is peeking out from behind the clouds, something you never want to see on a day like today, where the potential for severe weather is there, because that is only adding instability to the atmosphere. So we have that factor. We have a juicy feeling air mass, higher dew points. Those two combo, or that combo of the two, I should say, really allows that potential for severe weather to be higher. Here's that live look in the capital city. We can see some breaks in the cloud cover, a little more cloud cover though in the capital compared to what we've been seeing down here in Lancaster. We have one little cell too that's likely bringing a little more cloud cover closer to the capital, that's been moving through parts of Cumberland County just south of I-81. That's about all we have across the Susquehanna Valley right now. But as we head through the afternoon, we're going to have some better lift moving into the area, and that should help produce the storm development out to our west. So stay weather aware. That's why it's an impact day today with those strong afternoon and evening thunderstorms. Temperatures top out in the middle to upper 80s with thunder showers ending overnight. We are going to have that potential for some patchy fall with more moisture in the ground, and also a lighter wind going to contribute to that, with temperatures seasonable in the mid to 60s to around 70. Then tomorrow we're a little cooler as that cold front starts to swing eastbound. It's going to bring more scattered showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon with temperatures around 80. We're now in the middle to upper 80s for some of us, including Gettysburg. You're at 88 degrees. We have 84 in York. It's 79 in Lebanon. We're also at 79 in Selinsgrove. But check out the dew points in the 70s for some of us. That's a tropical feeling, more oppressive feeling air mass, and that also adds to the instability, having all this moisture in the atmosphere. That's why we have this slight to enhanced risk now across the valley. A greater threat for severe weather here in the orange, more numerous severe storms possible. But we still have the potential for scattered severe storms in the yellow, and that includes just about all of us here. Now, as we head through the remainder of the day, we're expecting widespread strong to severe thunderstorms through the afternoon into the early evening, really from 2 to 8. That's that time frame, the highest threat there in that time frame from 2 to 8. So the evening commute could be a bit rough. Damaging wind, a pretty big threat. Also heavy rain. Still can't rule out some larger hail and more isolated storms, and also that potential for a spin-up tornado or two. So let's time it out hour by hour. Here's Predictor. As we progress through the remainder of our Monday, we can see these starting to blossom from west to east. This is 3 o'clock, so we're seeing this trend out closer to Franklin County, the I-99 corridor. Eventually, these storms move into the valley through the evening drive. So we're expecting more widespread, stronger storms for that evening commute. So things could be a bit dicey out there. By dinner time, we're starting to see kind of a broken line move eastbound into southeastern Pennsylvania. And by 8, 9 o'clock, these are getting out of here with just some lingering showers, maybe a rumble through the early part of the overnight. Then things are looking a little bit drier early tomorrow morning. Now, we do have a flood watch for areas that were harder hit with this weekend's rain. That does include Berks, Schuylkill, Lebanon, Lancaster, and Chester counties through 11 o'clock tonight. So flooding, not a huge threat, but it is possible if we get a really good downpour for a prolonged period of time. We're still in a drought, so any rain that we get is going to be beneficial. Now, as we head through the News 8 Storm Team 10-day, we can see temperatures take a bit of a hit through midweek behind that front. Then we're warming back up. Still could have some lingering showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. We're a little drier as we head through late week, but then another system moves in, brings showers and thunderstorms for this weekend. But the plus is that we're looking warmer and a little drier as we head toward the 4th of July, Susan.